Whoa, hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm at Disney Hollywood Studios and I'm here for one reason. I heard the Muppets is closing. That attraction has been here forever, so I was like, let me come here and check it out one last time. So if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun. It says stop, so I guess I better stop for a second. This is one thing I never film. The balloons. When you come to a Disney park, get a balloon for the kiddos. Come on, look at them all. They're just flying away. So I'm legit here on a Tuesday, and everybody says everyone's at Epic Universe. Disney will be dead. Really? Look at the crowds on a Tuesday. Alright, here we are, now playing Muppet Vision for the last time. 3D. I can't believe I'm saying that though, it's been here forever. Muppet Vision for the last time. Can you believe it?
Yeah, I believe it.
Do you know what's coming here?
Yeah, something related to Monsters Inc. Monstropolis, I guess? I don't know how I feel about that. Both are kind of outdated, if you ask me.
Kinda, but hey, it won't be Muppets though, so it'll be something new.
It won't be Muppets, and I'll tell you one thing. Don't eat pizza.
Oh yeah, this is the best place to get pizza, by the way.
No, it's not.
The face tells it all.
I was so sad.
Actually, after the show, you want to grab some pizza?
No, I'm good. You couldn't give me a free pizza. I'm good.
Not even a free one. Wow.
Not even a free one.
So, where do we go?
This one.
Right in the middle?
Right down the middle.
Okay. Hello. Someone smells good. I don't know who it was, but someone smells good.
Look, did you notice there's a key under the bed?
Where? Show me.
Hello, friends. We have 3 more minutes until the next showing of Muppet Vision. 3 more minutes. Huh? Yeah, no wheelchair spots left.
There is legit a key there. We found the key.
To the front.
You can't lock us out of here. We know where the key is. Look at this. We gotta grab protective goggles.
Thank you.
It's A Bug's Life all over again. Here we go.
All the cool kids put them on early though.
Yeah. Wow, look at all these people, yeah.
It's almost like the ride's going away or something.
Yeah.
Introducing the one, the Mr. Mickey Mouse.
Hello, hi there, welcome to my park.
Mickey Mouse,
Rats! Besides, they're tourists. What do they know?
you get out of here.
Okay, do I still get my $10?
Get out, get out, get out. You get out.
The show is about to start.
Hey, look at the guy in the goofy mask. Sorry, lady.
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please no flash photography, video lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on those special 3D glasses as Kermit the King proudly presents Muppet Vision 3D.
Gonzo?
Oh. Sorry, boss.
Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern high-tech facility... Hey, careful! Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D, a new film process which we're about to demonstrate today. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay? Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Little? Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap...
Enjoying the fireworks? No, your chair's on my foot!
What's this?
Stop the movie! Stop the movie, Chef! Hey, Chef! Can't you hear me? Stop the projector!
You will care for my lawyer.
Hey, I'll save you, penguin!
Wife was saying that there's a lot they're playing out.
So we just left the Muppets 3D show. It's kind of sad, but we got Kermit and Miss Piggy. And then behind this wall, I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, but oh my gosh, yeah, you can't see. Behind that wall, some new stuff is coming. I can't believe no more Muppets. What are we gonna do with all the Muppets?
They're gonna go back to California and live a great life.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, so long Muppets. I don't know how to end the video, but yeah,
Bye, Muppets.
Yeah, see you later, Muppets. Maybe we'll see you in the future.
Big mess.
But thanks for watching, guys. Bye forever, and see you later.
What?